What's up everybody, welcome to Fix It With Fusco. My name is Keith. Today's video we're going to look at this gas meter and how to get a meter reading. So this one here is the Itron G4 RF1 SVZB. Bit of a mouthful, but we'll head over and we'll have a look at it. So here we go, this is the meter here. You have your screen and these two buttons. Now sometimes with these meters they have a meter reading on screen, this one doesn't. So what we're going to do is just press it. And there we go, that comes up. There's no backlight on it, so you can't really see, but it'll come up there with the V for volume, or VM, and you've got the M3 after it, and that is the meter reading. So that's it there. Hopefully that helped you. If you did, please let me know in the comments below. Sometimes with these, if there's no backlight, you use your torch on your phone, or when you're taking a photo, you have the flash on, and that'll flash it up, and sometimes that helps read it, or otherwise you just have to get an external light just to light it up. But yeah, that's how you get the meter reading on that gas meter to send to the gas company. Hope that helped. If it did, please let me know in the comments below. Until next time, see ya.